Hello there and welcome to module 2. Let's get to doing some mathematics. And mathematics is fun. I hope you like it. So what we have is mathematics for test engineers. And that's mathematics with a difference. Now what difference are we talking about over here? We are looking at understanding mathematics to the level that it will be useful for our day-to-day test engineers. And math becomes this test craftsman's tool. Brings in rigor, also brings in efficiency. So you've got precision, rigor, and efficiency. Three things that math can really bring in. But our treatment right now is largely informal. So if you are a mathematics-oriented person or looking for serious mathematics and learning, this is not the session for it. This is a session where we will discuss it informally to the level that a test engineer would need from a day-to-day perspective. And the idea is, in my view, my first idea is to at least get you motivated to look at mathematics with a very different angle of usefulness. Second is, at least from the perspective of the way we use it, not run away from mathematics. And the third, how can I make every test engineer much more effective is the question that I ask myself. And I believe mathematics, mathematical modeling, and also understanding from fundamentals and conceptual understanding, that will pave way to better usage of techniques. I think that's the basis. So with that motivation, let's start looking at the first one. First one for us is permutations and combinations. So permutation and combination, our core piece is selecting several things out of a larger group. So that becomes two things around it. From a set of 9, I could pick, say, 3. But is there an order in which I pick? Or can I repeat? So if it's 1 to 9 as numbers and I need to pick 3, can I pick 1, 1 and 1? So can the number 1 repeat? Can number 2 repeat? Can number 3 repeat? That paves way to the way we deal with things. So let's look at it basically. In combination, order does not matter. It's like a fruit salad. You put in banana first, strawberry next, and apple later. It just doesn't matter. Permutation is really order does matter. Thus, typically we call the lock not as a permutation lock, we call it as a combination lock. Other than that, it's okay, but remember that permutation is that lock and order does matter. For example, if the sequence is 437, 347 will never work because order matters. In permutation, a repetition with a yes or no is possible. So I could have a combination lock. Again, permutation lock with 333 or maybe 557. But repetition not allowed is also a situation when we are looking at, say, a race. And it's a permutation. You can't have gold, silver, and bronze given to one person. There will be definite 3 unique standings. So here is a clear-cut formula for you to look at. N possibilities for each of our choices. Repetition, without repetition, we have n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. From our test engineering perspective, this is what one would definitely need to remember. Let's look at combination. Choosing r things out of n, repetition allowed and without repetition, we have got these two formulae for you. Thus, permutation and combination, that is what we can look at. Repetition, no repetition are two things that we can look at. Remember, combination is like the fruit salad. Permutation is like the combination lock. Order matters. So indeed, in our permutation and combination, in our short video, this is what we have. And I hope this motivates you to use more permutations and combinations. Thank you.